everyone, today I'm going to make Basbousa, a traditional cake originated in Egypt, which is also known as semolina cake. Let's see the ingredients. 2 cup medium coarse semolina, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half cup melted butter, 1 cup desiccated coconut powder, 1 cup curd, few almonds and pistachio for garnishing, custard and chocolate syrup to eat with the cake. For sugar syrup, we need a half cup sugar, half glass water and a few drops of lemon. A baking tray with greasing paper on it. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add semolina, desiccated coconut powder, powdered sugar and baking soda. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to add butter and curd. Gently mix it all together. Add a half glass of water. Mix it well to get to this consistency. Now gently pour the batter into the baking tray and spread it. Add a few almonds. Bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sugar syrup. In a pan, add sugar and water. Let the sugar dissolve in a medium flame. Once the sugar dissolves and starts bubbling, turn off the flame and squeeze the lemon. After 30 minutes of baking, the cake should be ready. It's time to take the tray out of the oven and let it cool down for 10 minutes at room temperature. Now add the sugar syrup on top of it and give it a few gentle taps. Garnish it with a few sliced almonds and pistachios. It's time to cut the cake into pieces. Now the easy and tasty Basbousa cake is ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, share, subscribe and leave your comment below. Goodbye and stay tuned for more.